Hello and happy Valentine's Day 2022. This is Esther at Stampin Star Creations. I'm chopping up this lovely host paper and I'm trying to get to the red hearts, so I've got a strip of just the red hearts. So if you cut carefully you can get to it, and if you turn over the paper you've got this really fun modern black and white stripe. So I'm just cutting this down to 3 7/8 by 2.5 inches or 9.8 centimetres by 6.5 centimetres. And then as you can see, that strip is just going to lay across there. So I'm just going to make sure that this other one matches up the same and I get the right measurement. Now, bringing out the penguin builder punch, I think that's what it's called. I'm just using that to cut out the body of the penguin using black and white paper. And it's a really quick and easy way to build up that penguin, and it looks super cute. Grabbing a strip of pumpkin pie, this is a really easy, quick way to punch out some feet. Then in the set penguin place, there's a little heart, so I wanted the lady penguin to have a little heart on her chest. Then I always feel that when you add eyes to the animals, it just brings them to life. So just using black and putting some ink on for the eyes. I've added some beaks in pumpkin pie, and I'm going to give him a bow tie, and then with the same bow stamp I'm going to give her a little hair bow. And then when I stick the feet on, I like to do them slightly at an angle, outwards angle. I just think it makes them look kind of cuter rather than having them straight up. And then we're going to link their fins and make them hold hands, hold fins. Then having a look at my sentiments and trying to figure out which is the best thing to put on my Valentine's card. I'm using the Special Moments stamp set, which is available now during Celebration 2022 with a £90 purchase. So this is the first time I've stamped it, so sometimes you've got to just stamp it a couple of times to condition it and just to see how it stamps. So I stamped this twice, a second time in red because I wanted that word wonderful to stick out to somebody, for someone who is wonderful in each and every way. So I'm just adding some dimensional strip to make that word pop. I've gone ahead and punched out a red heart, which you can see also. And I just felt as if it was looking a bit lost and I wanted the focus more to be in the centre. A great way to do this is to blend around the edges. So I've gone for like a vignette look around the edge. And just with a black ink on my blending brush. And go ahead and stick down all the elements. So the strip is going on top of the stripes, and then not forgetting to go around my sentiment with my blending brush. This just helps it look a bit more cohesive. It's a good word, isn't it? Cohesive. So I've put some dimensionals on the top half of my penguins and put glue on the bottom half. So the top half of the heart just pops up a little bit where they're, well, top of the heart and their head. Then I found these old or retired little heart gems, which I think came with the snail set, if you remember that. And I've gone and covered the heart that I've stamped, but I just thought it looked quite cute to have these 3D hearts, and he could have some love hearts and she could have some, just to complete the look of my card. And then I'm going ahead and stamping inside using the Celebrating You stamp set. Again, it's available in the spring, well, not again, because I haven't said that yet. It's available in the mini catalogue, the January to June mini catalogue. And I was able to combine some of the sentiments. Now, Matt has a thing about going on about glitter on cards. So I was like, I can't not add some glitter. So here I am with my Wink of Stella, just trying to not squeeze the bottle, but use up what's on my brush to colour in the heart. So please do check out his video that he done for me. He made me a Valentine's card and it's on my channel. So don't forget to check that out. I'll try and remember to link that after this video so you can see his wonderful efforts at making me a card. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this card today, and happy Valentine's Day. If you celebrate it, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and comment. Lovely to see you. Bye bye.